Planning a trip to Amsterdam and want to make the most of it? Well, you're in for a treat. From the moment you land at Schiphol Airport, the adventure begins. Amsterdam is a city that marries history and modernity, where cobblestone streets meet contemporary design. Its rich tapestry of culture is woven with threads from the Golden Age to the present day, offering a unique blend of timeless allure and vibrant charm. Navigating Amsterdam is a breeze, whether you're hopping on a train from the airport to the city center or hailing a taxi to your chosen accommodation. And let's not forget about the city's bike-friendly ethos. With a bike, the city opens up, revealing its secrets at your own pace. Bike rentals are plentiful, making it easy to join the locals in their preferred mode of transport. So, you've landed in Amsterdam. What's next? Let's dive into the city's remarkable landmarks. Amsterdam is a treasure trove of iconic landmarks and hidden gems. The city's charm is deeply rooted in its rich history, and nowhere is this more evident than in the Rijksmuseum. Here, you'll find a vast collection of art and historical artifacts that encapsulate the Dutch Golden Age. From Rembrandt's The Night Watch to Vermeer's The Milkmaid, the museum is a testament to the enduring legacy of Dutch masters. A stone's throw away from the Rijksmuseum, you'll find another gem, the Van Gogh Museum. This museum showcases the life and works of the troubled genius, Vincent van Gogh. From The Potato Eaters to The Starry Night, each painting tells a story of the artist's tumultuous life and his incredible passion for his craft. For a poignant experience that delves into a darker chapter of history, the Anne Frank House is a must-visit. This museum is located in the very building where young Anne Frank and her family hid from the Nazis during World War II. The original diary, Anne's heartfelt and insightful entries detailing their life in hiding, is on display here. It's a moving testament to the human spirit's resilience in the face of adversity. After delving into Amsterdam's rich history, it's time to explore the city's vibrant neighborhoods. The Jordaan, once a working-class area, is now a trendy district filled with independent boutiques, art studios, and charming cafes. The narrow streets here echo with the sounds of clinking coffee cups and the hum of conversation, creating a wonderfully cozy atmosphere. Then there's De Piep, known as Amsterdam's Latin Quarter. This multicultural neighborhood is a melting pot of cuisines, cultures, and experiences. From the bustling Albert Kuip market, the largest street market in the Netherlands, to the tranquil Sarfati Park, De Piep offers a slice of real Amsterdam life. Of course, no trip to Amsterdam would be complete without a canal cruise. These picturesque waterways, lined with 17th-century houses and blooming flower baskets, are the city's lifeblood. As you glide down the canals, you'll get a unique perspective on Amsterdam's historic buildings, charming bridges, and vibrant street life. Amsterdam's landmarks are not just buildings or places, they're stories. Each street corner, each canal, and each building has a tale to tell, from tales of artistic genius to stories of resilience, from narratives of cultural diversity to accounts of everyday life. In this city, history, art, and culture intertwine to create a rich tapestry that captivates and fascinates. Every step you take, every turn you make leads to a new discovery, a new story, a new experience. After a day of exploring, you're sure to have worked up an appetite. Let's talk about Amsterdam's incredible dining scene. From traditional Dutch cuisine to international delicacies, Amsterdam's dining scene is truly a feast for the senses. Let's begin with the soul of Dutch cuisine, herring. This small fish, often served with pickles and onions, is a taste of the sea you won't forget. Yummy. For the best herring in town, locals often head to the stalls scattered around the city or the iconic fish stands at Albert Kuip Market. Speaking of Albert Kuip Market, it's a foodie's paradise. Whether you're seeking fresh produce or ready-to-eat snacks, this bustling market won't disappoint. Look out for the famous Dutch cheese stalls. You'll find a variety of cheeses, from the well-known Gouda to the less common but equally delicious Maasdammer. But what's a trip to Amsterdam without trying a stroopwafel? These sweet treats are made of two thin waffles stuck together with a layer of sweet syrup. You can find them fresh at markets or packaged in nearly every grocery store, and the best part, you can enjoy them any time of the day. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Amsterdam's more refined dining options. The city is home to an impressive number of Michelin-starred restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for French haute cuisine or innovative fusion dishes, these establishments offer culinary experiences like no other. Another great place to enjoy a meal is by the city's famous canals. Picture this: a cozy cafe, a canal side view, and a plate of bitterballen. a Dutch snack consisting of crispy meatballs served with mustard. Sounds delightful, doesn't it? Finally, for those who prefer a more eclectic dining experience, Foodhallen is a must-visit. This indoor food market offers a variety of international cuisines from Vietnamese street food to Italian gelato. It's like taking a gastronomic journey around the world without leaving Amsterdam. After an indulgent meal, it's time to rest your head. Let's explore Amsterdam's accommodation options. Whether you prefer a boutique hotel, a budget-friendly hostel, or a charming B&B, Amsterdam has an array of accommodations to suit every traveler. The city's rich tapestry of neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm, means there's a perfect spot for everyone, regardless of their budget or preferences. Let's start in the heart of the city. The city center is bustling with energy and offers a variety of accommodations, from luxury hotels to quaint boutiques. Here, you'll find yourself within walking distance of major attractions like the Anne Frank House and the vibrant Dam Square. However, the convenience of the location often comes with a higher price tag. For art and history enthusiasts, the Museum Quarter is a fantastic choice. This area is home to world-renowned museums like the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum. Staying in this area provides easy access to these cultural treasures, and accommodations range from high-end hotels to more affordable guest houses. If you're looking for a quieter, more residential vibe, consider Amsterdam's outer neighborhoods such as the Jordaan or De Piep. These areas offer a range of accommodations, from cozy B&Bs to stylish apartments, plus you'll get a taste of local life, away from the tourist crowds, yet still within easy reach of the city's highlights. Now, let's talk about the types of accommodations. If you're after a bit of luxury, Amsterdam's boutique hotels offer a blend of comfort and style. Many are housed in beautifully restored historic buildings, offering a sense of the city's past while providing all modern amenities. For those traveling on a budget, don't fret. Amsterdam is well known for its hostels, many of which offer private rooms as well as dormitories. These accommodations are often centrally located and provide a great opportunity to meet fellow travelers. And for a truly unique Amsterdam experience, why not stay on a houseboat? These floating accommodations offer a unique perspective of the city, particularly its famous canals. They range from simple and rustic to luxury boats with all the comforts of a high-end hotel. Choosing the right accommodation is a key part of your travel experience. Consider your budget, but also think about what you want to get out of your stay. Do you want to be in the heart of the action, or would you prefer a quieter neighborhood? Are you looking for luxury, or are you happy with simpler accommodations? Remember, Amsterdam is a city that is meant to be lived in, not just seen. Your choice of accommodation can help you immerse yourself in the city's culture, history, and everyday life. With the right accommodation, your Amsterdam experience will truly be unforgettable. Amsterdam is a city that effortlessly blends history, art, and a vibrant nightlife, making it a must-visit destination. From the awe-inspiring Rijksmuseum to the poignant Anne Frank House and the charming streets of the Jordaan, it's a city that never ceases to surprise and delight. The culinary scene is just as diverse and exciting. Whether you're sampling traditional Dutch cuisine at a cozy canal-side cafe or dining in style at a Michelin-starred restaurant, your taste buds are in for a treat. Choosing the right accommodation can elevate your experience to new heights. From boutique hotels in the heart of the city to picturesque bed and breakfasts, there's a perfect place for every budget and preference. Navigating the city is a breeze with its bike-friendly streets and canals. And respecting the local culture will ensure a warm welcome from the locals. So if you're planning a trip to Amsterdam, you're on the right track for an unforgettable adventure. Safe travels! As we close out our Amsterdam adventure, we want to take a moment to thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope this guide has given you a glimpse into the beauty and diversity of Amsterdam and inspired you to explore it for yourself. Remember, the best way to experience a city is to immerse yourself in its culture, taste its food, and engage with its people, but the journey doesn't have to end here. We invite you to be a part of our growing community of global explorers. Share your travel experiences, tips, and recommendations in the comment section below. We love hearing from you and learning from your experiences. If you've been to Amsterdam, we'd love to hear about your favorite spots. If Amsterdam is on your bucket list, let us know what you're most excited to see and do. Your insights could help other travelers plan their own adventures. Finally, if you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Your support helps us create more content like this and continue to bring the world closer to you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So where will your next step take you? We can't wait to find out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels!